and you watch it. And then you think it and you let it go. And your mind is going to throw you something else. And you just think it and then you let it go and you return to your breath. It feels like a sinking or a drop into another state of existence, a meditative state. And you will be aware that of your body, but you'll be aware that this body is not me. You will feel that there's a you and there's a you inside your body. Now, what happens to people is we think this body is us. This is the illusion. You think that you are 6 foot, 210 pounds, whatever, blah, blah, blah. You get caught up in, this is me. No, that's not you. You're using this body only to navigate this space that we call Earth. That's the illusion. You are just, really, you are a spine with nerves, and all of this is just your shell that you are using.